Good morning. This week, we are back at a facility we visited before. This factory is a major manufacturer of space capsule houses. These are very popular for investors, especially in resort areas. The buyers for these space capsule houses are typically companies. They're real estate developers, hotel and resort properties, and operators of AirBnb's. The entire process, manufacturing in factory, takes 45 days or less. And to buyers in Kazakhstan, Russia, and here in China, they're shipped by truck. Everywhere else goes by ship and then taken by truck again, where they're unloaded and put into position by crane. They are move-in ready the day of arrival on site. And that means they're cash flow positive much sooner than site-built homes. We're in the factory now, and in 20 days, this home will be in India. The 3 behind them will go to Taiwan. There are 4 outbound to Russia. 10 models, just like the one behind, are going to Zhejiang province, to a popular resort there. Production for next month, February, are for new buyers in Greece, Romania, Croatia, Holland, Poland, and Costa Rica. Behind me are the space capsule units that are outbound today by truck to the port in Guangzhou and one to Kazakhstan. There are about 300 possible configurations for these space capsule homes across 14 standard sizes. So manufacturing and product managers will recognize this right away as an example of the Dell push-pull management system. There is a limited number of base product designs, then some customization options that are available to the buyers. They all make for what seems to be a lot of options available to customers. But to the factory, every model is easily produced as it's ordered. The raw materials and furnishings and fixtures are shipped here within 2 days, and usually just one, of when they're actually needed. That means low inventory cost for materials, so they don't have excess warehouse space. All the supply chains are localized. Everything comes here within 90 minutes by truck, so inbound freight costs are also very low. It's a highly efficient, fast, low-cost, built-to-order manufacturing system, but for houses. And that means lower prices for the investors and for the resort operators who buy them. This is a nunnery in Hong Kong. Be good. Integrity and honor and wisdom. Thank you for making my brother. Empower him. Fill him with your Holy Spirit. Give him gifts. Gifts of wisdom or of prophecy. Teach him to love. Make him a warrior in the name. Make him a great evangel.